creating kits on any platform is the longest process. It can take anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour, depending upon how many components or what you're dealing with. With Sellercloud, it makes it a lot smoother in a sense where everything is clearly labeled and in one place and can be put together.
When I started looking around for different inventory management companies, the way they did the inventory wouldn't exactly work with how we were wanting to do it with our kits. So then I started talking with Sellercloud, and everything that they currently offered was exactly how we wanted to do the inventory.
Kitting and bundling was a huge issue for us in the past, but since Sellercloud, we've been able to do it effectively.
Kitting was one of the most important things. We had to have the inventory done that way.
How to figure out how to build kits was the beginning, and how to deduct it from the inventory, how to allocate the inventory. I used to run reports in Excel figuring out I had a lot of kits and I had a lot of kit properties.
The software is really good at being able to say, okay, you have this quantity of 2-packs, this quantity of 3-packs, this quantity of singles, and making all of that inventory available across multiple ASINs on Amazon.
A big part of our business is selling items individually or as part of a bundle, which is also known as kitting, and Sellercloud really does that well for us because it's able to manage your inventory accurately. When we sell stuff together, it automatically updates all the individual components to make sure we don't oversell anything.
Sellercloud has been great. We have been able to create different kits with multiple different products, being able to control that inventory for all those products within that kit so we don't oversell.
The creation of shadows and kits is unbelievable. To create kits of more than one piece and to have them both print out on the invoice, the locations both print out on an invoice, and then have those quantities deducted automatically is great.
Say we have 5 different inventory items, we're able to sell them together without grouping them together and storing our inventory.
All I basically have to do is plug in said information, make sure that pricing is right, make sure that the content is right in terms of grammar and images, and launch. So it's great.